Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the Nyrius Aries Prime wireless HD transmitter from Nyrius. Now, the way this is set up to work is you're going to plug this in into your laptop computer, then this end plugs into your TV, and therefore you can transmit wirelessly from your laptop or other device to your TV. Now, there are other things that are coming out there that do similar things, but I've used Nyrius for a while and I'm finding that it works pretty well, and they've got a lot of these bugs already worked out. So this supports 3D and full 1080p high definition. So this is a setup that you can actually use with 3D televisions. So again, how it's supposed to work is you're going to set this into your laptop, and it comes with this actually pretty handy little HDMI elbow. So you can put it in. You do have to supply power, and then this would transmit to this box right here that will be mounted behind your TV, potentially on the wall, so it is designed to mount on the wall if you would like. And then this will actually transmit the signal back to your TV through the included, which is kind of nice, HDMI cable. Now, that's how it is designed to work, and it will work that way. But I'm going to do something a little bit different, a little bit fun today. What we're going to do is we're going to take this transmitter and connect it with a 30-pin transmitter from an iPad, and we're going to send and mirror my iPad wirelessly using this device to my TV. So let's see how we're going to do that. Okay, so not everything you're going to see here is included. Now, I'll let you know what's not included when we get there. So we have a 30-pin adapter from VITSync, which is not included. You can put into your iPad. Again, this is a 30-pin adapter. So we'll put it in like so. Trying to put it in upside down. There we go. Then we can put the Aries Prime into it like so. Now you can use the elbow or you can use it direct, and it probably actually works best if we just go ahead and put it in directly like that. And so now you've got it so you are able to transmit, but you still need power. I'm going to solve that by using this little external hard drive. I'm sorry, external battery pack. Turn it on. And then the cable for power is included. So if you're hooking this into your laptop, you would just put this into the USB port in your laptop. But you can also run it through this external power pack. So let's just do that. Let's put this here. Oops. And now we're going to run that right here. We're going to run it right into, just in case we need it, the 2 amp output. And voila, you've got power, and it's looking to transmit. Now let's hook up the back end to the television. Okay, so here's the Nyrius device. I'm going to put it on top of an Apple TV, and then it just connects directly into my HDMI input onto my television. So you've got an output, and you've got a power. Now let's link the two together, and we'll see what we can do. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to show you. This is my iPad, and then right up there is my TV, iPad TV. And if you look, they're completely synced. So I have the ability to run from one to the other. Now, let's say I want to look at something like my daughter, she likes this Minnie Mouse puzzles. Voila, it's on my TV. But that's only so fun. Another thing that you can do is Netflix. So if you want to watch a movie on your iPad and then have it transmitted to your television in high definition, that's an option for you. Now, another device I like to use is I have it hooked up to a Volcano, which allows me to wirelessly transmit from one TV to another. So I'll push Volcano. And again, this is set up on a TV actually in a different state. It'll wirelessly transmit from that TV to my iPad, which I then send right back to my home television. So I'm using my iPad as a media center, all because of the Nyrius Aries Prime. So there you go, all wireless with really no latency at all. Okay, so I showed you one potential setup with this, and it was kind of off the wall that I'm using it for my iPad, but it's designed for your computer. So you can plug your transmitter into your HDMI port on your computer, and then give it power either through a plug that's included, or through the USB cable that's connected to it through a USB drive. Somehow you have to give it power. Then you run into your receiving unit, which you also give power. You just plug it into the wall. And then you plug the HDMI back into your television, and it really auto-configures. So the configuration and the pairing of the two devices is instantaneous, or very quick, I should say, and works well. Now, you can do it with your laptop. I showed how you can do it with an iPad with a couple external accessories. You can run it with a Blu-ray player. So you want to have a Blu-ray player. You stick the transmitter into the back of it, or to the front of it, or wherever you have your HDMI output. You give it power. Somehow plug it into the wall, works fine, and then you have a wireless connection to your TV as well. So if you want to hide wires, this is a great way to do it. So my final verdict on the Nyrius Aries Prime wireless HD transmitter is 5 stars. It's full 1080p with, I haven't detected any latency at all. It supports full 3D. It has an uncompressed digital signal. I've not found any kind of interference issues with it as well. It seems to work real well in my home wireless setup. And I do have a lot of devices kind of floating through here. And again, it's pretty flexible in all the capabilities that you have. So I'm going to give it 5 stars. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to answer it. I'm not an expert on this, but I can try to do my best. So take care and have a great day.